Hi there, I'm here to try my first flight of my new DJI Mavic Air drone. I have not flown it before, so this is going to be a short flight, and I just want to get familiar with it, so here we go. So I have the drone here in this bag, and this is the controller. I have my cell phone in my pocket to keep it warm because it's about -13 out. So first things first, unpack the drone. Here it is. Extend all the rotors. And put the landing gear down. Take the gimbal protector out and ready to fly. Second thing is to get the app ready. I've played with the app a little bit, but like I say, I've never flown it, so I don't really know how well this is going to work. My fingers are really cold. Alright. My cell phone has this habit of turning itself off when it's really cold, so I'm kind of worried about that for flying. We'll see how it goes. So, got the app open right here. Got my controller open. Well, you know what, I think I'm just going to fly it without the controller. No, that's not a smart idea. Deploy the antenna for the controller. Power on the controller first. Press the right button. There, it beeped. It's got a flashing red light showing that it's looking for the drone. Press the power button on the drone. The drone's got a flashing yellow light. In the cradle here. It says connected, go fly. Fingers are freezing. You see on the back of the drone, it's got a flashing green light. That's good. I had a flashing green light. I think my phone just turned itself off. Yeah. So there's the problem right there. My phone froze. So it's a failure because I need my phone. See, my phone's starting to boot up now. It's too cold, and my phone turned itself off. So because my phone turned itself off, I can't fly, which is really annoying. Hi there, I'm Steve Boyko. I'm going to try flying my drone for the first time. I've got a DJI Mavic drone here. ready to go, and I'm going to give it a first flight. I've never flown it before, obviously, since I just said first flight. And I tried flying it yesterday, but it was too cold and my phone died, so I need to have my phone working. So this time it's warmer, we're going to try it again. So first things first, I have a controller, I have my phone with a heating element strapped to the back of it. Hopefully that'll be enough to get it to go. Alright, so now I've got my phone in the cradle on the controller. Antennas are out. I'll turn it on. Now we'll turn the drone on and see what happens. Drone's flashing yellow. Not sure what that means. And this is beeping. I'm not sure what that means either. I'm going through there we go. Aircraft's connected. Alright, so we're connected. It says go fly. Let's go fly. It's in beginner mode, home point recorded, ready to go. Alright, we're going to take off. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to land it. There you go, my first flight. Okay, here we are trying the second flight. I'm going to power on the controller. Power on the drone. Someone just fired a shot over there. That was weird. All right. Let's hope my phone lasts long enough for us to fly. All right. Here we are. I'm going to take a picture of myself. Video. Taking off. I'm not sure why everything's beeping. There, I told it to auto land, and we'll try that again. Not really sure why it decided to do that, but we'll try it again. Taking off. This is definitely a learning experience. I'm going to try getting out of beginner mode. Let's try launching again. Very confusing.